Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Acrobat, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Adobe Acrobat, first, launch the application on your computer. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to sign in or start a trial. If you already have an Adobe ID, click on the Sign In option. Enter your Adobe ID and password in the designated fields. If you do not have an Adobe ID, click on Create an Adobe ID to register. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once signed in, navigate to the Help menu located at the top left corner of the screen. In the drop-down, select the Activate option. You will be prompted to enter your serial number. If you purchased a standalone version, find your serial number in your purchase confirmation email. Type in the serial number carefully. Once entered, click on the Next button to proceed. The software will verify the serial number. If the verification is successful, you will receive a confirmation message indicating activation. Now, you can enjoy fully functional Adobe Acrobat. If you step into any issues during activation, double-check the internet connection. For further assistance, visit the Adobe support website for troubleshooting tips. That's it. You are now ready to use Adobe Acrobat to its fullest potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.